So someone asked me how to change this badge location. So to do that, let's try to add a new parameter for this badge called alignment. I will choose alignment.center. Let's save it. So nothing changed. Nothing changed because in the stack, you need to add a new widget called positioned widget to add an alignment for each widget. For example, let's wrap this widget by a new widget called positioned, as I said. And this positioned widget takes a few parameters. For example, let's give it a parameter of bottom and choose 0. Let's save it. As you can see, the badge is being moved to the bottom, and it's in the bottom of this picture because this stack only wrap these two widgets, the image widget and the badge widget. For example, if you want to move it to the right, you can add right 0. If you want to add some padding, you can add some padding, or you can just change this value, for example, to 5. And you can change left, for example, or the top, and anything that you want. Let's try the top, for example. It doesn't look great in my opinion, so let's just stick as it was. Okay, so I will just keep this positioned and delete the parameter. I'll just comment it. So you can just know that you can wrap this widget by a position and change the location of this badge.